Good morning, guys. Would you guys like to do a craft? Happy Monday. It is Monday the 7th. It is bathtub day apparently. I have done a lot of different things this morning and totally forgot to start the vlog, so I'm starting it now. I'm over here to hang out with the kittens and see them a little bit while Andrew runs a couple different errands, and then he is going to be back. We have a lot of different things going on today. Not really fun things that are like worthy of vlogging, but maybe you'll find it interesting. I pretty much spent my whole morning getting my Halloween video for Saturday ready. It is a craft video. It's very fun. I'm really excited about it. I just finished that and I'm gonna go edit that and get that all prepared, and then I'm gonna play with the kittens a little bit and hang out with them, even though they abandoned me right now. They were all down here and then they just all left and went upstairs. I was like, oh, okay, fine. You don't want to help me with my craft. That's fine. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm trying to get some Lucy's cuddles, and she had no interest. She was like, no thanks. And I'm watching Ellen, of course. Even though it's not 3 o'clock, I have missed multiple Ellen episodes, and so I really wanted to catch up on that. Anyways, that is what I'm doing this morning. Today we have a whole bunch of like errands and boring stuff to do, and I have a lot of Halloween prep videos that I need to get done, so that's super not fun and super boring to vlog, and I don't want to ruin any of my Halloween videos. And I had a couple different things to print out and stuff for my spiritual clients that I need to put the document together and then get it printed out. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I'm going to do that, and then while that is printing, I'm going to edit the Halloween video and get that ready for Saturday. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday for you guys, today for me's video of a Wrinkle Fest. I thought that was so fun, and I love those little community events, and anything with like October feels is just super fun for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Saturday, I think I said it already, but it's going to be a craft video, and it's going to be super fun. I'm really excited about it. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. Good morning, not so morning, because it's like 1:57 right now. It's like the middle of the afternoon, but yeah, I didn't start the vlog, so we're going to start it now. Let's see if we can find some kitty cats. They all ran away when I was doing my craft. Oh, there's one. Hi, Mooch. Hi, baby. What you doing? Are you just waiting for somebody to open the door so you can go in here? Huh? Hi, Fluff. You're so cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. All the girls are on the bed. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, Kiwi Cub. Hi, little sweet pie. Hi, Lulu. Lulu. Hi. That's so cute. You're all sitting together. All the girls are on the bed and Mochi's just sitting in the hall. So I got these at not Marshall's, Michael's, and then I also got these cute little toppers so I can make my spooky cupcakes for a video. Then I got something else, which I'm gonna block, but I got this for my costume, so you guys will be getting a reveal to that super soon. Right now, we're sitting in the parking lot of Spirit Halloween because our car died. And it's super fun when that happens.
Yeah.
Boring adult things.
And like it's October 6th. And it's really warm out today.
Yeah.
I don't know how you're wearing a jacket kind of warm.
I'm not warm, but you're apparently like having a tough day.
I'm dying.
Anyways, we basically have been sitting here for a little while. My dad is coming to dump the battery, and then we were gonna get food. That's the ironic part. It's like we're sitting here not eating lunch, kind of hungry. So Andrew's a little cranky, but yeah. So my dad's on the way. Super dad to the rescue as always. So it looks like we get to be even more adult and go and look for a new car battery today. Adulting.
Adulting.
Ooh, whoever said having a car wasn't fun?
Just you fix one problem and then it's another problem and it's another problem and it's another problem.
Literally. Yeah. So that's what we're at right now. We're waiting for my super dad to come and help us. And he's already done this once this month.
Last month. He did it September 30th.
Okay, it was September 30th, Andrew. That's pretty much it. Never mind. He's already done it twice for us. Well, once for us, so. He's on his way. We just got done at Spirit, and I don't know if the plan is still to go get food if we can get the battery started.
The plan is to go get food, go home.
Figure out what battery.
Take the battery out, and then me and your dad will go look for a new battery.
Go look for a new battery.
You can
Yay, adulting! And now they're gonna jump the car. So, yay! They're gonna jump the car, gonna get food, we're gonna go back to our place, and yay. And now we're gonna jump the car. Thanks to my superhero dad, we started the car. We're gonna go home, and we're gonna take the battery out, and Andrew and Dad are gonna go on an adventure to find a new battery.
Not really an adventure, I'm gonna go where your dad tells me to go.
Yeah, I know, because he's very trusted, but thank him for definitely helping us.
For sure.
Not that he drove like that far out, because we're like 10 minutes
Now,
away.
to people who don't know a lot about cars, much like ourselves, I mean, I know makes and models, but that's about it. My dad, who's an automotive technician, and Simone's dad always say, make a list of what could be wrong and work down the list. I thought it was because my gas tank was low. Maybe it was all like, oh, there's not enough gas. I did that. I filled the tank.
I didn't think that for the record.
It worked absolutely fine. The last few days, it started acting up, and then now it's dead.
Well, I didn't think that. I thought it was the battery the whole time. So, just saying. Power of elimination, though. To my amazing dad, we got a new battery, and now they're putting it in. Woo! Andrew. That was a bad high five, but also, we should probably know how to do this, right?
But does it matter because we didn't take it?